Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how we're going to make a lab today. Step 1. Use the part up here. Step 2. Size your part. Right, I told you. Size your part. Step 3. Change your metal to diamond plated. Step 4. Turn to white. Step 5. Add glass to our window.
You stupid. What's 9 plus 10?
Step 6.
You stupid.
Add a wall to this one. That's step 5. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 5. Change your metal to glass. Nana. And add glass to our list. Change it to visible to 0.5. You can see our glass.
What's going on?
This is going to be our hallway.
No, what? Give it back. No, what? Give it back. I said give it back down. No, what? Sorry, what the hell is
Go to step 6. Group the model. Step 7. Add a roof into it. Step 8. Finished. Now do the lights. Step 9. Add to the lights. Add the part. Step 10. Add a 2 neon. Step 11. Anchor. Step 12. Add a light. Putting the light right. A 0 point. And step 13. Step 12. Add the light surface. Is that the bottom or top? Front? Right is right here. And left is over there. That is the back. Bottom. Add rig to 15. 15 rig. Angel 1000. There it is. And step 13 and step 11. Group our lights. Step 12. Put on the lights. This is our launch pad. Group our light again. group are late again. Step 13, add a group to our hallway. Wait a second. I forgot it right here. Step 13. Add a side to our hallway. This is gonna be stuff I hope. See it like that. Step 14, finished and done. Okay, step 14, group our hallway. And step 15 are done. Subscribe to that channel on YouTube. Bye, peace. No, the thing. These are the engines. Yes. One can change the neon is very bright. One can change any color, but it's red and neon. It looks like evil to me. Bye, peace.